What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. We're here, my friends, for another live day trading session. So we've had some good winners this morning, guys. We had Netflix. Look at this beautiful gap on Netflix and just pop and go. So I called out Netflix yesterday as well as SPY. Had a winner on SPY in this morning. So what I'm going to do right now, we're going to look for some live trading setups, and I'm going to walk you through the trades that we took this morning. So here we go. I'm going to just take this 930 low right here, and I'm going to draw the Fibonacci up to the high right here. Okay, we are on the 618 right now, so this is a nice area for us to look for some opportunities. Let's put on the basic right here. Let's go down to a lower time frame, and then let's look at this price action here, guys. So really nice 618 here. So I normally like to do the recap before we get into the live trading, but this is a good opportunity here. So what we're going to do here, my friends, is we are looking for a break above this bar for the trigger to go long on this trade. Okay, so a break above that bar. Anything other than that will not interest me in the 618 for now, but here is the 618 on SPY. Okay, hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear, and welcome in, my friends. Welcome in. All right, so we have that 618 right now. So let's go ahead. Let's put on the full. So I'm looking here on SPY to see if we can get a little bit of a dip buy here. So we'll watch this. Let's watch the 786 as well. Okay, so we'll be watching both of those right now. But I really like this entry above here if we can. But until then, we will wait. We don't want to catch the falling knife right now. We want to wait to see if we can get some type of change in bullish direction like this coming in here. So something like this would be nice. So let's see here. So currently looking to go long above this level because we are on the 618. You could see this is the morning. So this is our 930. We rallied. Okay, we took the long in the morning, and now we pull back to the 618, which is always a really nice area to dip by. Yes, so we took the calls early in the morning in the Discord, so I'll show you guys that. But there we go. All right, let's try this one here. If we can break that, I want that white line to break. We can risk one candle. So we can risk this candle here. Okay, so I'm on the 2-minute chart right now. So let's see here, guys. So just going to be patient a little bit. I want that. I'm really looking for this red candle to break. That one, that high is what's intriguing me. And again, I'm only interested because we're at the 618. And as you can see, the 618 on this pullback has been a lot of reaction so far, a lot of testing that level. So just going to keep watching that level. Okay. Right. So while we're doing that, let me walk through the trade we took this morning. Okay. So we'll leave that trade there. Let's walk through what we did this morning, guys. Okay. So, oops. In that golden zone. I'm going to hit the replay and I'm going to walk you through what happened this morning. All right. So first thing, let's go back to the daily chart. So let's keep an eye on this trade. So on the daily chart, guys, what did we have yesterday? Is that a bullish or bearish candle from yesterday? So as you guys know, yesterday we went long and finally got the breakout. So hit me with the 1 if that's bullish, hit me with the 2 if that's a bearish candle. So I want to show you why we did what we did today. So obviously, guys, we had a big bullish breakout candle. All right. So what I like to do going into the day trading day is always mark the high and the low of the previous day. Okay. So this morning, I wanted to go long at 415.34. Okay. So that was my level that I wanted to go long. Keep an eye on this. Okay. I'm going to put this in green. The reason I wanted to go long on this level at 415.34, guys, was because of this big rally into the close. I'm looking to see if we can have continuation. And we posted this the night before. So every day, the night before the open, we have our full plan. So you can see long entry 415, stop 413, target, etc. So right after here, guys, first 5-minute bar comes in, we below our level, and then boom, we got filled. So I did a live call out in the Discord right here. Our long trigger is 1434, long trigger activated. So we got filled at 939. It took some time, guys. You'll see it went sideways for a little bit. And then finally, boom, got the breakout and smashed through the previous day's high. So what we're looking here, guys, get filled on the green, tack the red, and then just continue to hold and trim as you go higher. And it was really a nice day. It did chop for a bit, and then we finally hit the target. Great patient. Yesterday, high smash, who's banking with me. Hit me with a 5 if you guys understand that. So that was a really nice one. All right, so let's try this long right here as well. All right, so this is the game plan here. It's a 618 trade. All right, so long here. Let's go ahead and tighten up that stop loss, put that right about there. Okay, there we go. There's that 618 fill. So at any point here, we can tighten this up, but let's be patient a little bit. So what we're really trying to do, guys, we're trying to get back to this next level here and try to look for some risk to reward around this, 1 mark right here. And then really trying to get back to this 382. That's the goal right there. Okay. That's what we're looking for right there. So we had a really nice winner. So we'll let this one develop here. So as you could see, if I had gotten in a little bit earlier, I could have already made money on the 618, but I decided to wait for this red candle, looking for a little bit more confirmation. It might come back to bite me, but let's see. But you could already see, guys, that reaction from the 618. See that? 1 reaction, 2, 3, 4th, the 4th time. I'm hoping that this time it will actually continue higher. So let's go ahead and just leave that. So Netflix, guys, was the huge play today. I posted Netflix last night. I said, Netflix, do not sleep on this. We had this beautiful outside bar on Netflix. And so many people have been messaging me today, guys, about how we crushed this play. So you could see this was the action today. Made 3,000% on the calls. That's just crazy. But let's go and watch this. So what do we have? We had the old school gap and go. So here's your first 3-minute bar. You just take that opening range breakout. Once we break the high of that candle right there, boom, there's your entry and it's gone. Okay. So that's one of our go-to day trading strategies right there, opening range breakout. So I'm also watching Netflix for some potential opportunity. Here we go. So really nice, clean breakout out there. I'm going to go ahead and just get this to break even just to remove the risk. Okay. So break even trade right here on SPY with the 618. Hit me with a 5 if that all makes sense so far. So again, I just saw we came into the 618 area, and then I'm just looking here for opportunity. I saw this red candle breakout up a little bit here. I'm just going to go to break even because I feel like if it wants to keep running, I'm still in the play. Okay. And I recommend for new traders, just traders in general, I like to do this trades with futures. Okay. So as an example here, here's the same candles with the futures market. So from the entry to the high, it's already about 2 points. Okay. So that 2 points is $100 a contract. All right. Hit me with a 10 if everything is making sense so far. All right. So see how this plays out. So we also took this trade. So we also took this trade with the bot in the Discord. So you could see full Fibonacci filled long. The only difference is in the Discord, guys, we just buy on the level. Okay. So we already bought on the 618. So there's 2 ways to look at this trade. So I'll show you. Okay. So I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart and I'll show you guys. All right. So I'll show you the differences. So the 930 was here. Then we rallied all the way up here. And then we came down. So in the Discord, we do a lot of automated trades. So we got long on the 618 already, and our stop loss is at the swing low. Okay. But what I'm showing you here on the 2-minute chart is more of a scalping style of trading. Okay. So there's the difference in the trade. So that's what I want to show you guys. So here is the automated way. You enter on the 618, you have a very wide stop loss, and you're basically playing for the rest of the day, right? And you could see this one is already up money. The one that I just showed you is a candlestick confirmation, which is good for scalping, but it looks like we might end up getting stopped out at break even on this one. So let's see what happens. So if you scalp the Fibonacci hard, what you do is just take it from level to level, like 618 to 50. While this is playing out, do you guys have any more trades for me to look at? Any more trading opportunities? So Netflix is on watch right now. I'll put that in 2 minutes. What else do you guys have want to look at? Let's look at see what else we can find some opportunities on today. So let's do Tesla. Tesla 930. Tesla is pretty much doing the same thing as SPY. So what else could we get? Let's look at AMD. Yep, I see AMD. I see you guys like AMD. All right. So still alive in this trade, guys. I mean, very nice. So let me ask my brother to post this P&L for the 618 he did so far. Can you post P&L so far on 618 so I can explain to you guys? Or he might be recording the screen, so I might not be able to do it. But anyways, so let's keep that going there. So still just hanging out here. So for the bigger picture, longer term play for the rest of the day, the setup is like this. That's the 618. Let's go to the 5-minute chart so you can see everything cleaner. Right? So this is the bigger picture look. And let's just take off everything. Let's just focus on the 618. Okay. So this is the bigger picture play here. And then this is this one. All right. So this scalp, guys, didn't get to the target. So I'm going to take it off. That's fine for break even. And I'm going to reset and look for something else. Tesla, AMD. Okay. So AMD, very interesting here because you could see that AMD, let's go to the 5-minute chart today for AMD. Had a pretty big, so if you look at AMD, if we go from low to high, do you see that reaction? Hit me with a 15 if you see that. So AMD, that algo on the 618, look how powerful that is. Way stronger than SPY, right? Because SPY, we'll go back to the 5, it's still near the 618, but AMD, it touched it and it's gone, okay? So that is interesting. So AMD, a little bit more bullish right now. So Tesla is kind of counter trend here, guys, but I like this setup here for a short. I like this setup here for a short, guys. Fibonacci from high to low. So right up on that 618, 786 area. So anyone want to do a short on Tesla, hit me with a 10. Just going to give it a shot, guys. You know, don't have to risk any capital. Play it. You can paper anything you want. All right, so let's give this one a shot here. The reason I like this is because I noticed this big algo wick up here, and I noticed a nice outside bar here. So let's go ahead and use this outside bar. So the setup will look like this. Take a short right here on that outside, stop at the top right there. So let's see if this can fill. All right. All right. So while these trades are going on here, guys, I want to take a second to just shout out to the Trading Wars Army. So anybody with a green in their name, thank you so much for the support. So guys, if every week I have a goal of getting 5 new Army members. All right. So if you hit the join button here, it's $4.99 a month. And if we get 5 every week, I'll go live every single week. So for the last 2 weeks, we've been getting 5 and I've been going live. I want to keep doing this, but I need the channel to grow, and it grows when I get these members. All right. So help me out, guys. If you like what I'm doing, sharing my screen, teaching you everything I learned over the last decade, hit the join button. Not only do you get the live streams, but you get these custom plays that I send out every single day. You could see I sent out some powerful blue raindrops to the Trading Wars Army last night. So I give new content every day for the Army that's exclusive. Okay. If you're watching the video right now, I'll just show you where that is. Second. So if you're watching the video right now, so this is the video. You can join right there. Okay. All right. Hey, there we go. We got one person. Boom. Still watching Tesla here. Veronica Rubio, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my friend. Let's welcome Veronica back in with the TW Army Spy VIP. Yeah, Netflix was my best call of the year, guys. And we just had this outside bar, and I just looking at the past outside bars, you could see how things kind of explode. And that's why when I saw this one, I was like, this one, I said, don't sleep on it. You know, don't sleep on this Netflix play right here. I posted that last night. So watching Tesla here. This is nice. This is a holy grail. All right. So let's move our entry up on this inside bar here. Put it like this. So this is the Trading Wars holy grail. One of my favorite patterns to trade. It's an outside and inside bar. Okay. It's a 2-minute right here. So I'm watching this one. You see how it's right up on the 786 and the 618? So that's your major rejection zone. So this is a very good setup here. I really like this setup. Let's be patient and wait. Okay, I have, let's see. So playing this one right here. Hey, Gary. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my brother Gary. Let's welcome Gary in with the TW Army Spy VIP. So we got 2 for next week. We only need 3 more, and I'll be back, guys, Thursday or Friday. So Mitch, do you guys have these free indicators? Add my indicators right here, guys. Hit me with the 20 if you already have my indicators. Just add them. They're free. You can add them to your chart, and it'll highlight the patterns for you right here. Golden indicators. Send it right there. Okay. I really like this setup on Tesla. Just waiting, being patient on this one. I really like this one, guys. SPY, let's see what's going on. So still kind of chopping around. AMD, same thing. Move those over here. Netflix, go down to the 2-minute. So you could see Netflix had a holy grail here, right here on 1256. So this is the ideal situation for a holy grail for the long. We break above and we squeeze. So I'm trying to do the same thing on this side now, but I'm looking for specifically a short trade. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So what I like about the holy grail patterns is just you risk 1 bar and you trade it. So no fill on Tesla right now. So still just going to be patient still. All right. Just still going to wait. I'm not going to like just move my orders or entries. All right. So just zooming out here. I'm using this leg that came in, pull back into the golden zone here, and I'm looking to see if we can continue like this. All right. So let's see, guys. Just going to be patient with this one. And just to recap one more time, guys. So we went long in the morning here. 618 is playing out pretty well here. So we went long. For those who are just joining me, we went long at 9:39, 4:15:34. Let me just show you guys that. Is anyone in here still holding the long from the morning? Hit me with the 5 if you're still holding that long that we took. So let me just double click that. So took that long in the morning right there, guys, and we got that really nice push up. Now we're pulling back down. So we're looking for that 618 to be that area of support. All right, here we go. In this trade on Tesla on the short side here, going to keep a tight stop loss here. I like this pattern. So let's see, guys. Let's see if this one can hit. All right, guys. Send me some 3s for some energy. Send me some 3s. Hopefully we can get another winner, guys. I want to get a winner and I want to be gone because when you're up profits, you don't want to give them back. All right. So I already have my morning profits. So I just want to get this one for you guys and get the hell out of here. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this stop loss above this bar just for less risk. But I like this setup a lot. Just going to let it play out. So again, we had the holy grail. Here we go. Come on down. So we'll start trimming on the 50% right there. Want to trim on that 50%. So let's get to that 50% right there. I don't use volume because I trade stocks with high volume. I trade like the index. I trade Tesla. I think volume is more important on stocks that generally don't have a lot of volume. But I'm a Fibonacci based trader mainly. That's my strategy, my style. I like to keep the fibs for me are always the most important, because what you'll see is volume sometimes is lagging. So for example, we came to the 786 and we popped back down. But I already know at the 786 that there could be a lot of bear pressure here, right? Because that's a key Fibonacci resistance. But the volume might come in after. I might see it after the fact. Yeah. So I didn't I just used the Holy Grail to the downside on this case. So I didn't care about the breakup. I'm just looking for the down, because of the fact that we're in the 786. It would be nice if we could get a winner here, guys. Gonna be patient. Not looking too good right now, though. I already made some good gains in the morning, guys. If I get stopped out here, I might look for one more. I might just call it. We'll see. Still have this 618 on for the rest of the day, so we'll leave that. Let's see what happens here, guys. Maybe I could have taken profits a little bit earlier, but it's still not. It wouldn't have been enough. So it definitely looks like it's gonna. Yeah. So took an L on this one, guys. Unfortunate. Let's see if we could find something else. AMD. I think we missed this one on Netflix. Anything else you guys have? What would suck if this one actually came back down after? Then that means we've just been getting chopped out. But that's okay as well. Sometimes around this time in the afternoon it does get choppy. Yeah, so looks like I made the right call just killing this here. You could see there was a reaction. It did come down, but it wasn't just not enough sustain. You know, looks like the bulls are still powerful, especially with Netflix. Like Netflix is just killing this. So this one, I missed this one, guys, here, but this is the Nirvana. This is the inside outside. So you could already see this one was a winner. I wasn't even looking at this one, but if you'd taken that one, that would have been good. So it looks like I was on the wrong side. That's fine. Let's look at Nvidia. Yeah, exactly. Scalp from one fib to the other. That's a scalp style. Yep, exactly. One to the next. Nvidia. Not really. I mean, could double dip on Tesla. Try one more time. See if I can see anything in the 1 minute chart. So we could try on Tesla short one more time, but I need to see something, another pattern here. An inside bar would be great. Something else would be great. SPY. So I'm gonna get my brother to post again. The Nirvana and the Holy Grail are basically the opposite of each other. It's just a key patterns, candlestick patterns that I like trading. The Holy Grail is outside inside, and the Nirvana is an inside outside. And what it means to me is just essentially there's a lot of consolidation and traps. So generally, I like to take the breakout of the candle. Now on Tesla, this is the high of the day, right? Okay. Okay, so here's the high of the day. Let's go from the high of the day now to the low. Now let's watch in here. to look for some type of rejection here. Sorry guys if I'm cutting off. I'm trying to do this in a hotel room today. So I apologize. Can you hear me? Okay, hit me with a 5. So his brother Danny is up 20% on the SPY calls. Excellent. I'm sorry guys, my bad. The hotel life. Hold on. Let me swap the internet. Let me swap the internet. One sec. Always gotta have backup internet, guys, when you're traveling. Here we hit me with a 10 if this is better. I just swapped over the internet. So what I was explaining about the Holy Grail and the Nirvana are the invert of each other. So they're my favorite candlestick patterns to trade because it's like a form of consolidation or trap. So outside, inside, you could see the range is getting tighter. So this bar breaks the high and low of the previous bar, and then we have a tight range. And then the opposite is inside, outside. That's the Nirvana. So I like to take the breakouts of those candles when I take trades. Like here we go on Netflix. Here is a trap, right? We had an inside bar, then we broke to the low. You could see the bears got trapped, then we pushed back up. Okay, now that's a signal to go long on the break. Bang. So that's a scalp. Here we go again. This is a Holy Grail. So the price action is getting tighter, like a little flag, and then the breakout, boom. So that's why I like trading those candles. All right. All right. So I'm gonna get my brother to post that. So this was the 618 at 12:15 on SPY. That's the entry over here, back here. Okay, so we're still in this one right here for Discord. I'm trying to get the PNL for you guys. Give me a second here. Okay, here we go. 786. Let's see now. Can we get some kind of rejection here? Do I already see a rejection here? Let's wait for this 2-minute bar to close. Yeah, so Holy Grail Nirvana, you can use it 2 ways. You could just take the breakout, or you can use it like I'm using it now with the Fibonacci. So like if I have a Fibonacci here, right, like a 786, and I get the pattern, I could play it to the downside, to the short. All right. So I'm going to look this one. I'm going to look for this one here, guys. All right. So I'm going to look right here for Tesla. Okay. Let this 2-minute candle close. Let's see the rejection coming in on the 76. I don't know if it's going to be strong enough, but we'll give it a shot here. This is going to be my, see that, guys? So now it's hard for me to chase it, but I was waiting to see if I could get a candle. See that, guys? Hit me with a 10 if you see that. So didn't even have a chance to get into this 786 short because it didn't even give me a candlestick. So I don't think I will chase it. I don't want to put out a bad trade there, guys. So but as soon as it came in there, got that rejection. So the only way you could catch some of those trades is if you do it like we do in the Discord, where you just have your order waiting on the level. So unfortunately, I'm not going to chase that one now. Just going to wait. See that there though, guys? That's clean rejection. So, you know, the way that these algos like to play the game sometimes is they just like to take it on the level, boom, take it down a bit, scalp and get out, just in and out, in and out, in and out. So I was waiting for that one. So let's see if I could have found something on the 1-minute chart. So, or the 30-second. Sometimes you got to drill into it. So they had an outside bar on the 30-second, but still not enough. Still go to that 2-minute chart here. All right, if this will close with an inside bar, then that would be a nice setup for me. Be waiting here patiently. SPY is still doing its thing. Okay. Nvidia, Netflix. So let's see if we can get an inside bar closer. That would be nice. The Holy Grail Nirvana, it could break any direction. it doesn't do like one or the other most time. I'd like to combine it with other factors like the fibs to help me pick a direction. That'll be cool. Okay. So let's see. Can we get a nice inside bar there? That would be nice. Thinkorswim should be here. These are my indicators for free in Thinkorswim. So I think these are also scans, but you can add it as an indicator. I don't really use Thinkorswim. I'm not the expert at it. But yeah, all right. Let's look at this right here, guys. All right, a little bit risky, but let's give it a shot. Right there, below that inside bar, right there. Okay, so we'll look for this setup here. Try to take it back down here. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to break this low, otherwise not interested. So I want if this bullish candle, if this low gets broken, guys, breaking, I don't think that's a word. If that low can break, that would be extremely powerful. But this thing looks like it's just running forever. So 618 on SPY is still working, thankfully. Gonna get some gains on that one. I wish there was a little bit more drama today, guys, but it's kind of slow grind today. Slow grind. Let's go back and take a look at AMD. Let's look at the Qs. Let's just look at a bunch of stuff. Oops. Where did it go? AMD, Q. Let's look at IWM. So IWM, very interesting because you could see that we had this Fibonacci leg in the morning right there. And now if we take the bigger picture, also kind of similar to SPY with that 618. All right. So this is the PNL so far on that 618 here, guys. So this would be the entry right here on the 618 with the stop loss at the low. So you could see it's a wide stop. So it's not, crazy profit, but it's currently $385 using the futures contract. So the goal with this play would for us to make a new high by the end of the day. And then that would give us about $1,100 in profit. So I'm going to let that run. All right, guys. Unfortunately, my friends, I don't see anything too hot right now. I don't want to force anything. I'm just going to sit in these gains for now and see how we end. I want to thank you very much for coming out. Wasn't too wild this time. So hope maybe next week we'll do it on a Friday. So maybe it'll be a little bit more volatile. But I just don't want to force anything here, guys. Well, I guess I'm in the... Well, that was quick. Did you guys see that on Tesla? Did you guys see that? Hit me with a 2 on the way out, guys. That was crazy. That was nuts. You see this, guys? Are you seeing this? This is crazy. What the hell? Anyways, there's the Fibonacci gods, guys. There's the Fibonacci gods giving us some love on the way out. All right, my friends. As always, check me out, tradingwars.com. I want to thank each and every one of you who were able to watch this video live. So if you are watching this video live, you're eligible for our special giveaway, all right, and our book deal. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway this Sunday, so make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. But if you want to get the Fibonacci book, basically all the trading I'm doing right now, or if you want to get the SPY book talks about those nirvanas and holy grails. If you want to get any one of those, instead of 1 month for free, I'm going to do 2.5 months for free in my Discord. So it's only $100. You get my indicators for life, the premium ones that have alerts. Okay, so the alerts can go directly to your phone, directly to your grandma, your dog, whoever you want them to go to, your email, and 2.5 months for free, or you can sign up right here on the main page. All right. So I won't be streaming tomorrow, guys, but I'll be day trading in the Discord room. It looks like things just got volatile. I'm on my way out, guys. All right. Thanks so much for your time. Take care.